Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today let's see how to make traditional rice rava upma. I am going to show you two ways of making this rice rava upma. The first one is without cooker and the second one is in the cooker. Both will take approximately the same time. In the cooker method, you don't have to keep stirring it and monitoring it. 1 cup regular raw rice, not basmati. Wash and drain immediately. No need to soak it. Spread it on a clean kitchen towel to dry. Now add 1 tablespoon black peppercorn and 1.5 tablespoon toor dal. Spread the peppercorn and the dal on the wet rice. After more than an hour, it becomes dry, so blend it to a coarse rava-like powder. You can store this and use it whenever you make upma. Heat 3 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 2 dry red chillies, 1 tablespoon ginger, a few curry leaves. Now I am adding 3 cups water for 1 cup rava. Only room temperature water, not hot water. Add some salt, 1/4 cup grated coconut. Typically vegetables were not added to this upma. Adding vegetables is optional. Half cup carrots. Chop the vegetables very fine. I have chopped them in a chopper. Half cup beans. 1/4 cup green peas. Cover and cook until it comes to a rolling boil. Open it, lower the flame and add the prepared rice rava. Mix it well and cover and cook on a low flame for 7 minutes. Make sure to stir intermittently. Now let's add 1 tablespoon ghee, garnish with some grated coconut. Soft, yummy upma is ready. Do give it a try, and now let's see how to make the same upma in the cooker. Make the rice rava as shown before. Add the grated coconut and vegetables and switch off the flame immediately. Do not bring it to a rolling boil. Transfer the entire mixture to another vessel and place this vessel inside a cooker. Cover it and allow 3 whistles. Once the pressure is gone, check it. Soft upma is ready. Add some ghee and enjoy it with any chutney. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider subscribing for notifications of new videos. Comment and let us know how you did. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Take care.